Hi everybody, this is just a quick tutorial on Canva, just in case you were absent yesterday or maybe forgot some stuff, just some quick hints and tips. So today when you're working in Canva, instead of going right back to my link on Google Classroom, you are going right to canva.com. Okay, so either type in canva.com or you can Google search Canva, CANVA.com, and it'll take you right here to your home page. And under recent designs, that's where you should be able to see the poster that you were working on yesterday. If you can't find it under recent designs, you can always go under projects. If you click projects, clicking projects, then all of your projects that you've previously worked on should be there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my poster design so that he can just give you some examples of what we're doing. So of course, there is my poster. We saw that example yesterday. I kept it personal by putting some of the personal images, my Bitmoji, things that are about me, what I'm choosing to do instead of choosing to do drugs. My tagline here, my anti-drug is creating, is nice and bold. It stands out above the whole rest of the poster. Don't forget on your name tag, you're putting your first name only and last initial. So that would be Mrs. Swiss for me. And then, of course, some really quick things on how to do some stuff here. Elements is where you're going to click to search for things like, say, for example, I'm going to put art tools because I'm choosing art. We've got graphics, we got photos. Remember, don't choose videos because this is going to be a printed poster. So of course you don't want to have something that's a video because of course it won't show up in the print. The cool thing with frames, you have frames like this. These are pretty cool because you can take these frames and drop them onto your poster and then fill these in with an image. So say for example, I'm looking for an artist. I'm going to look under photos and I can drag this artist right into that frame. You got to make sure you're using photos for these or else it won't work. All right, and that kind of sets that little artist up in that really cool frame. Don't forget for text, of course, you can add a text box, and you can add headings and subheadings, and you also have these cool different font combinations, which are really awesome. I already have I choose. Some great things about the font combinations. You can change the different style of font for that. There we go. I'm going to undo that because that didn't work. You can also change the color if you want to too. All right, so just by choosing the A, I was able to change that color for myself. All right, and also don't forget we can change what our images look like by clicking the edit button. And that will allow me to change, I can put a filter on it. I can use the adjust button and change, all kinds of things. Make it lighter, make it darker, make it brighter, make it more vibrant, make it less vibrant. All right. You can even adjust some of the colors there for that background as well. And lastly, another cool thing, remember, we can use Google to search up anything we want. So if I'm looking for a cartoon artist, all right, and say I want to use this cute little cartoon artist over here on my poster. I can just drag and drop things in from Google. There we go. Now, because I want that to blend in with my poster, I'm going to go right up here to the BG remover, and that's going to process and remove that background so that I don't have that white box around my cute little cartoon artist. So that's just some quick things about Canva and how to, use some of the things that you might need to use. Don't forget the best way to learn Canva and any of these digital platforms that we do use for artwork or for your other classes is by experimenting and playing around with it. And of course, on Friday, I will catch up with all of you and show you how to share your image with me. All right, have a great day. I hope this is very helpful for you.